Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited today to show you the July new releases that are coming to my store. I have 3 new budgeting kits here and I'm going to go through them and show you all what they are. So last month when I debuted these budget kits, I told you that each month there would be one that was specifically sort of branded for the month. It would have the July heading already on it, as well as an option to buy just a generic one with no month, and then there's the add-on with the month titles. That is still an option. Nothing has changed about that. The only thing that has changed is that for July, I've actually done 2 that have the title right on them because both Canada and the US have birthdays in July, and I wanted to provide that option for shoppers in both countries. So I'm going to start with this kit. Obviously, this one has my heart. It's called Oh Canada. As a Canadian, I do love it. So this is the basic budget sheet. Got your income, expenses. You can split it up between variable and fixed if you want, your totals and your balance, with the July header on it, and then this one with it just plain at the top. So you could use this for any month that you wanted. The actual kit itself is, I mean, although it is red and white for Canada, I didn't put Canadian flags like all over this, so I mean red and white could be used for all kinds of things. And same thing, I used the polka dot design for the headers here. So that's our cash envelopes, sinking funds. We have our weekly check-in with the flags. So these are Kiss Cut flags here. Whoops, sorry. There you go. We have our debt tracker and our transaction log. So these are the main components of the kit. Then we get into washi. So we have 3 washi options, or 3 large washi options. So this is where we get real Canadian. So we've got the Canada ones with the word art, the Canadian flags, and then this horizontal striped one. I just think this is super cute. Okay, and then for smaller washi, we have the flags again, the little Canada, hopefully that's focusing, and then some red polka dots on white background to contrast the white polka dots on red background here. And then of course we also have, if I can grab it here, the solid thin washi in the red. Okay, so definitely a Canadian theme, but could definitely be used for any other month as well, or not any kind of Canada theme if you just use some of the other washi options. Okay, and then I didn't want to leave my American friends out, so I did create another July branded kit. So again, this comes in both options, so it could be used for any month, but certainly it's designed more around the 4th of July, and that's what the kit is called. So we have our 2 main budget sheets here. Cash envelopes, sinking funds, our weekly check-in, debt tracker, and transaction log. So all of the main components here. And then our thick washi. I actually really love these. And I'm not American, so here are our thick washis. We've got the matching one to the kit header, and then the blue and sort of this fireworks type one, which I really love. And then we've got the thin washi, which that is the same fireworks one as the big, the thick washi, and then 2 different designs there. And to go with it, the solid color washi in the blue. So this one's called 4th of July. is in the store now, as are all of the other ones as well. Okay, and then the last July kit is this one here, and I am excited about this one. I actually really love this. So this one only has one option. It's not, there's no month directly on it, but there is the add-on for the month headers, which I thought I had a sheet of over here, but apparently I don't. But it is listed in the shop. So this one's called Summer Florals. Here's our header, sorry, the main budget sheet. And then all of the components. So we have cash envelopes, sinking funds, weekly check-in, debt tracker, and transaction log. And then I am obsessed with this washi. So then we have our matching thick washi, this stunning blue one, and then this one, which is so pretty. And I hope that the camera can pick up just how vibrant this is. Like, it's such a, like, I don't know, it just seems so infused with color. So those are the 3 thick washi options. And then our thin washi options are this one here. So the blue and the peach one are the same as the thick washi, just a different sort of slice of the artwork. And then that middle one is that beautiful sort of fuchsia color. And then this corally color for the solid washi. All right, so that is 3 kits that are launching. They are up now. They're launched in the store. So we have Summer Florals, we have 4th of July, and we have Oh Canada. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is the freebie for June that is going out with every order, and it is this cute little sampler here with some icons and scripts. There is a coupon code for 20% off your next order. I did black it out for this one, but it won't be blacked out on the ones that you receive with your orders. Okay, so these are up in the store now. Like I said, it's the beginning of June, so if you are starting to think about your July budget in your Erin Condren Life Planner or Happy Planner, these will fit either. They are sized for the 7x9 Erin Condren, and the classic Happy Planner is just a little bit bigger than that, so they will fit perfectly in there as well. Tons of time to get these out to you in the mail. I know that mail is taking a little longer than normal right now just because of COVID, but I have looked into some additional shipping options which are included in the listings. So if you are worried about it not getting to you in time, there are definitely shipping options to choose from to help with that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. The shop link and a coupon code are in the description down below. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.